Is your home Wi-Fi password a little too easy to guess? In this year, your home network is the front line of your digital security. Whether you're kicking off an unwanted neighbor or just doing a seasonal security refresh, changing your Xfinity password is faster than it used to be. And I'm showing you the app-first method to update your credentials and secure your devices in under 2 minutes. Okay, and firstly, let's use the tool Xfinity wants you to use. So open the Xfinity app on your phone, then tap the Wi-Fi tab at the bottom of the screen, and then select Wi-Fi details on your network name. And after that, just tap Edit Wi-Fi settings, and then the setup. Enter your new network name or password. Also, pro tip, Xfinity recommends passwords that are at least 12 characters long to stay ahead of the modern hacking tools. Hit save, and your gateway will update instantly. And if you don't have the app, you need to go to the xfinity.com/myaccounts, and then of course sign in on the screen. Then navigate to Services, then Internet, and then Manage Wi-Fi. If you are a power user, you can still go to the address 10.0.0 and 1, don't forget the dots, in your browser. And also the warning, as of February 2026, you must first enable admin tool access inside the Xfinity app under Advanced Settings before the web login will work. Once enabled, use admin as the username and your custom password to make the change. That's it. And now your network is officially your own. If this tech guide helped you secure your home today, smash like and of course subscribe.